Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, I'm with Chris Nosalik with Electron Automotive in, what is this, Orange, right?
Yeah.
Orange,
California.
Orange, California. Chris had done a video with Chris Fix, right?
Yeah.
I saw Chris Fix's video where he places the battery on a Prius.
Yep.
And,
second generation, 2004, 2009.
Yeah, so I had seen that video, and I'm actually in Riverside, which is 30 minutes from here. Approached Chris and asked him if we could, collaborate on a video together, and he said, "Yeah, sure, why not? Let's do it." So you've seen those guys on YouTube where they're taking old classic cars, say like a Mustang or an old classic truck, and basically stripping the Tesla or whatever, some electric vehicle, and then modifying it to fit into that old classic car. Have you seen them do that at all?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? There's a guy in San Diego, or like Oceanside, I think he's doing. I can't remember. I'll put his name up, but what are your thoughts on that? Is that pretty cool?
Yeah, I love it. My favorite one that I've seen so far is the Tesla setup in the Volkswagen Bug, the old school classic one. Yeah, I love the idea. It's very expensive.
It's really expensive.
Yeah, you don't get the range. You've got to go to someone specialized. Like that's out of our element. If somebody came to us and wanted that done, we wouldn't do it. We couldn't provide the same quality that the others could. But I mean, I think it's a lot of fun. If you've got time and you want to do it by yourself, you can buy kits online.
Really?
Mm-hmm. They're for limited cars. The Bug is one. They have a lot of kits for the Bug.
Okay.
And
I've heard it's somewhere between like $90,000 and $150,000 to convert one of these things.
Yeah, it can be. The big thing is the battery.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want long range, it's expensive. If you want a very good cooling system, it's even more expensive.
Just want to go fast.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you think about BMW's electric cars? They're this is the i3, the little boxy looking like smart car one, and then they have the i8.
Right.
I love that car. That car is beautiful.
Yeah, I love the looks of it. From a mechanical or engineering perspective, I know very little. We've had very little experience with them as of 2019, so I can't comment on that part. But I love the body of
the body's sweet.
Yeah,
Huh?
Yeah. Not too sure. I mean, it's the little SUV version. I'm not too fond of that body.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit bigger than a smart car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like can't think of the name of the dog with the squished in face. Pug.
Like a pug. Oh, you think it looks like a pug?
Yeah, the way the front's all condensed. Yeah.
So the major manufacturer for most of these batteries